Welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a flower birthday card. We've chosen pink and blue and green and yellow, and our birthday card is going to be 3D. So just follow us and pause and rewind as many times as you need. So we're going to start with a small square pink box. We're going to fold that box in half, like this. And then we're going to fold it in half again, like this. And fold it in half again, like that. Just like that. And on that small triangle, we're going to draw a petal. And very carefully, with our parents' guidance, we're going to cut that petal out. And look at that, it already looks like a flower. We're just going to curl those petals a little. Smaller version to go inside, and then we have a small yellow sparkly circle. Can you guess what that represents? It represents pollen. So we're going to glue our sparkly pollen right into the middle of our pink flower. Perfect. And we've made 3 pink flowers for our card, but you can make as many as you'd like. Now we're going to make the stems. So we've got some green paper in a strip. I'm going to fold it in half and in half again. And in half again. And then very carefully with our scissors, we're going to cut just like this. To make our leaves. With another strip of green paper, we're going to take a long stick and lots of glue. And we're gonna roll the stick into the green paper, like so. Might get a bit sticky, guys. Cut off any excess paper that we no longer need. We made 3 stems because we got 3 flowers. Now with some more pink paper, and some blue paper, glue on the blue paper and stick it very carefully into the middle of the pink paper, just like that. And then with some more glue, we're going to place our flowers onto the blue paper. And then we're going to add our nice green stems. And then we're going to add our leaves. And look at that, your very own flower birthday card. I can't wait to see what you guys can do. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Emily, and Emily has drawn a very majestic chair. I love those pink cushions. Well done, Emily. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!